Welcome to Poor Decisions with Penny and Jeff.
I'm Penny.
I'm Jeff.
What are we making today?
We're gonna make Manhattans.
I love
We'll kind of do a
Manhattans.
traditional one and then one that I'm really into, a black Manhattan after that. So,
Okay.
traditional Manhattan actually originally, supposedly, was made
Allegedly.
with rye whiskey. There are some variations on it. Some people use kind of half cognac, half rye whiskey, but I like the boldness and the sort of
Spiciness?
cinnamony spiciness
Baking
of
spice?
of the rye. So that's what we're going to do the original with, and all we need is rye whiskey. Where'd it go?
Oh.
Sweet vermouth and Angostura bitters.
That's it?
That's it. That's
Okay.
all there is to it. So we'll start.
Quick question for you. What kind of whiskey is Jack Daniels? Is it a rye?
No, it is a whiskey.
Okay.
It is a Tennessee whiskey.
Okay. So is it corn based?
So technically, Jack Daniels could be considered a bourbon
But
because it's more than 51% corn.
but
It
it's
falls
not
under
in-
every category, and it truly is a bourbon. But Jack Daniels does not call it a bourbon. They call it a Tennessee whiskey, which they run it through a charcoal filter system, and I forget what the process is actually called, but it's basically charcoal filtered, and that's what they separate, what they decide is Tennessee whiskey.
Okay. I'm parched.
All right, where did that come from?
I was just curious because when I used to order a Manhattan, I would ask for it with Jack Daniels.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay. And you can make it out of bourbon too, but rye's just a little spicier.
Okay. Well, but it technically can't be a bourbon because it's not made in Kentucky, correct?
No, it's not true.
Really?
Bourbon anywhere in the United States.
What?
They just prefer not to call it a bourbon, but it is a bourbon.
Okay. All right.
Yeah, I think we talked about this before.
I think we did too, but I might have been drinking at the time.
All right, rye whiskey. This is Sazerac
Happens.
rye. I like it. 100 proof, which I think makes a good drink. And we're going to do 2 ounces of rye.
100 proof makes a good drink
Yeah.
because you're watering it down with some other things. Not really on a Manhattan.
Not too much, but I mean, you dilute
stands up to
it,
other-
but it stands up to other things, yeah.
Flavors.
If you get, and I mean, 90 proof is fine too. You can use Buffalo Trace or anything.
Okay.
We're going to go half that amount of the red vermouth, the sweet vermouth. So
And that's
1 ounce.
We're using Dolan because that has a little bit drier flavor profile, right? A little bit more layered, a little more complex.
You know, I haven't tried a lot of them, but it's
Like you see the Martini and Rossi and some other brands.
some people
of-
prefer the Cochi Torino one.
Okay.
Some people prefer the Antica, but I've heard that more people like the Dolan in a Manhattan.
Okay. I like the Dolan in my
A Negroni. Too.
Negronis. Yes.
Yeah,
Mhm.
that's true. And then just 2 dashes of Angostura bitters.
That was pretty aggressive.
It was. All right, need a little ice. Handy dandy ice bucket. My assistant.
Your
All right.
taste tester.
All right, stir it just the right amount.
Yeah.
In the meantime, you want to get me that
Oh, glass?
that little
Yes.
low ball glass that kind of looks like a
How cute is this?
little mini.
Like a martini glass
yeah.
without the stem.
And as far as garnish, a traditional Manhattan is usually just 1 cocktail cherry. But I'm going to change it up. I'm going to use 2.
Crazy. Fancy. They are good.
Okay. Yeah, these are my favorite cocktail cherries. They're small, so you can have 2.
So pretty. Oh, look at that.
Perfect.
Huh. You're not going to have
Amarena,
room.
the Fabrara Amarena cherries. Are the ones. Oh, it's going to be perfect.
Gonna have to suck it. Here, let me help you with that. How pretty. Okay. Here you go. Very nice. It's very full.
Give that a
Do
whirl.
I get the first sip?
Sure.
Okay. Mmm. Yeah, that's nice.
Go ahead, sit down.
Yeah, it's hard. It's going to be hard to transfer without setting it down. That is nutty. Like pralines, like candied pecans.
Yeah. That's really
Wow, that's pecan pie
good.
right
And
there.
yeah, you can get the baking spices from the rye.
Wow. Yeah, that's okay. Okay. Grandma's going in for another.
You might have found you a new favorite.
Maybe. Yeah, that's good.
It is.
Yeah, that's really got pecans and walnuts, candied nuts. It's a Christmas thing. I feel another Christmas thing coming
There
on.
you go. All right. Should we go on to the Black Manhattan?
Yes, please.
All right.
Glad you put that in front of me.
All right. Black Manhattan. We're going to start the same way. 2 ounces of rye.
Okay.
I'm going to use 3/4 of an ounce of Averna. One thing I should have done that I did not do is put the Averna in first because it's very thick, and the rye would clean out the
In the measuring cup.
But just 3/4 of an ounce. It's pretty sweet and it's got some bitterness to it, but it's
A little molassesy,
yep.
a little medicinal.
And on this one, I like a little orange flavor to it. So we're gonna do 2 dashes of Angostura bitters. We're gonna do 2 dashes of orange bitters, and then we'll
You have to see it.
ice.
Oh, ice. Okay.
We will also garnish with the orange peel and
Over ice
cherry on
bucket?
this one. Fanciest ice bucket. It's an
It works.
Iowa ice bucket.
Since our ice maker quit.
Wow. I'm going to be standing there trying to get that to come on. Anyway.
Yeah.
Okay. I have previously put a large, I like this one on a large cube too. So I've previously put a large clear cube into a
A
glass.
very clear cube. I don't know if you can see that. One of these episodes we have to talk about how you make ice now. Because of course you do.
Well, I haven't got it perfected yet, so we'll wait.
He's still working on it. Yeah, it's a process and it takes equipment and room in the freezer.
I don't need to dilute that quite as much since I'm putting it on a cube. But, all right.
So pretty.
It's kind of syrupy almost.
Yeah, it looks like thick Coke.
And this one, we will grab an orange peel.
Okay.
Just express that orange oil over it. I'm gonna drop it right in.
Yep.
We're
Do
gonna
another cherry.
grab a cocktail cherry.
Beautiful. See that? Mmm, yummy. Don't stab yourself with the pick.
That's right.
Ooh, that one tastes more cinnamony to me.
Angostura has a little bit of a cinnamony
Huh.
thing, although I still had 2 dashes in the other one.
Yeah,
And
I didn't get it in. Let me try again just to make sure.
it's the same. Oh yeah. Yep, it's coming from the Averna. And when we tasted the Averna by itself,
Yeah.
I didn't get that cinnamon.
This one, no. Or with this version of the Manhattan, this is more like real caramel, you know, like homemade.
This is very molassesy and
I gotta try it again.
and cinnamon. And it changes as they let it dilute a little bit more too.
That one stays in front of you. And this
Yeah.
one stays in front of me.
I like this one.
It's good. This is the Black Manhattan. That's the one you love.
I do love black.
Okay.
But I haven't really made a lot of just
This is
traditional
fantastic.
Manhattan. So yeah,
I
think it's
really
good.
like that.
Very good.
Okay.
All right.
So what do we?
That's all we're doing for Manhattan night.
What? Just 2?
Yeah.
Okay.
There's lots of variations. So
This will hold us for a minute.
you can try all different kinds of things. It's very, very similar to an old fashioned. Big difference is on a traditional Manhattan, you're using the sweet vermouth instead of a sugar syrup or something like that.
Okay.
Using that for the sweetness.
So it has a little bit more flavor, a little bitterness to it. Sweet vermouth has it's wine based. It's made with wine.
Yeah, I don't know that the sweet vermouth has much bitterness to it. I mean, we're putting the Angosturas in.
It sounds like we have another tasting coming
But
up.
it's really similar to an old fashioned.
But the flavor is quite different, I feel like.
Yeah, because of the vermouth. Yep. And there's also a version called the Perfect Manhattan,
What? We're not trying that?
which is, we could do it. You want to do it?
Sure.
All right, let's just do it.
What is it?
It is, the only thing that's different.
Perfect? Is it really?
They say it is. I've not had it, but we're going to do the same thing. Rye,
Why have we not had a perfect
sweet vermouth,
Manhattan yet? BRB.
dry vermouth,
What?
and bitters.
Okay.
So the only difference is we're doing, instead of an ounce of sweet vermouth, we're doing a half ounce of sweet and a half ounce of dry.
Okay.
They call that the Perfect Manhattan.
Okay.
So let's give it a whirl.
All right. Cool.
Just kind of on the gun.
I know. Do we have the right glassware? Do we need another one of these? What do we need?
It'll work. Chilled glass, that's all we need.
Chilled glass. That's important?
Yep.
You can't chill it on the fly?
You can put ice in it, let it set while you're...
Okay. Hold, please. BRB.
Okay, this one we're going to do a half of dry vermouth, half sweet vermouth, 2 dashes of Angostura bitters.
And you need this too now, right? Okay. While you're doing that, I'll just have another sippy sip.
I can sip and stir at the same time.
Look at y'all ambidextrous and shit.
Multitasking. Just to be different, we'll probably just use one cherry in this one.
Oh, you know what we didn't talk about?
What's that?
Keeping your vermouth in the fridge.
Just,
That's important. We found out the hard way.
yeah, vermouth.
They oxidize really quickly.
Yeah, vermouth keeps well in the fridge.
It's a little bit lighter, of course it would be.
We will do 1 cherry in this one.
Okay. How is it perfect then?
Well, apparently, a Manhattan is only supposed to have 1 cherry
Oh, that's crazy talk.
in the bottom.
In the bottom. Oh, okay. All right.
So give that a whirl.
All right.
I've never had this.
Me
I've
either.
just seen it.
It's a little bit drier than that. Of course it is. That makes perfect sense. It's got a little bitterness on the sides.
Yeah, you get more of the rye because of the dryness.
It's more
I like that.
yeasty almost. I get a little bread like like pastry dough, like sweet dough.
Must be coming from the dry vermouth. Yeah, I like it.
Drink it till it's perfect.
Although you're loving that one, aren't you?
I am loving that one. This is a one and done, for sure.
Because it's sweeter.
Yes,
This one, yeah, you could
Like
do,
one
you
a
could do
week.
you could do a couple of those.
maybe. Not probably back to back, but
I don't know.
I don't know. Maybe. Yeah,
seen
they're
you
both
do-
very strong, I'm sensing.
There.
So yeah, no, not back to back. But yeah, that's drier. Just depends on what mood you're in, I guess. Both delicious.
All right.
Both amazing. Both perfect.
That's Manhattan night.
All right. Cheers, friends.